Alright, hello everyone, welcome to another video, and in today's video I'm simply going to teach you how you can share your Instagram link on your WhatsApp. So this video is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial, so feel free to watch the video till the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all you have to do in order for you to go ahead and share your Instagram profile on your WhatsApp is go ahead and open your Instagram. Once you have done that, you want to simply go ahead and tap on the bottom right profile icon right over here. And now once you're on your profile, make sure you guys follow me, go ahead on the top right of your screen and click on this triple lines icon, and now tap on the fifth option, which is going to be QR code. Finally, once you are on this page, on the top right, so there's going to be this dots connected icon. Simply tap on that, it's going to be the share button. And finally, once you have done that, simply go ahead and select the WhatsApp option right over here. Finally, once you have done that, it says send to. Simply go ahead and choose someone you want to send it to and simply send. So this is the QR that's going to be shared, and it's going to say follow me on Instagram, username, and then the account tag. So it is as simple as that. All you have to do is press send, and there you go. So if you thought this video was helpful, feel free to comment down below any other queries you might have. And if you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you so much for watching.